Stop wasting money on bad audio gear. Why the Sennheiser MKE 400 mobile kit wins every time. Ever recorded the perfect video only to discover your audio sounds like you're talking through a tin can? That crushing moment when brilliant content gets ruined by terrible sound, it's different. You're not alone. Every creator has been there, fighting with built-in mics that capture everything except what matters. What's your worst audio disaster? Drop a comment below. Picture this: deadlines breathing down your neck, reshoot after reshoot because the audio's trash, and your audience dropping off faster than you can upload. The stress compounds when you realize professional audio gear typically costs thousands. But imagine if there was a way to capture studio-quality sound without emptying your bank account or lugging around heavy equipment. The solution exists. Enter the Sennheiser MKE 400 mobile kit, the game-changing setup that's turning smartphone shooters into audio pros overnight. This isn't just another microphone. It's a complete mobile studio featuring that legendary super-cardioid pickup pattern that locks onto your voice like a heat-seeking missile while ghosting background noise. One travel vlogger told me, "I filmed next to a waterfall, and viewers could actually hear me speak clearly. Magic!" The kit includes the rock-solid Manfrotto PIXI tripod and a premium smartphone clamp that transforms any phone into a broadcasting powerhouse. The built-in shock mount kills handling noise, while the automatic on-off function saves you from those soul-crushing silent takes. 3 sensitivity settings adapt to whispers or rock concerts, and that integrated headphone jack lets you monitor audio in real time. No more surprises in post. Here's the bonus trick pros use: switch to the plus 10 dB gain in quiet rooms for crystal clear dialogue that sounds like butter melting in your ears. This kit delivers efficiency that'll make you wonder how you survive without it. Users report cutting editing time by 70% because the audio needs zero cleanup. The MKE 400 consistently delivers superior off-axis rejection, notes one audio engineer. While a filmmaker confessed, "I've blended it with $2,000 lavalier mics and nobody could tell the difference." The interchangeable TRS and TRRRS cables mean seamless switching between your DSLR and smartphone. One kit, endless possibilities. A tech influencer raved, "My viewers immediately noticed the difference when I switched to this microphone." The low-cut filter eliminates that annoying rumble from AC units in traffic, while the windscreen combo tackles everything from gentle breezes to coastal gales. Thousands of creators have already transformed their content with this setup, posting before and after comparisons that'll make your jaw drop. Which feature would revolutionize your workflow? The headphone monitoring or the auto on-off? Comment your pick. The plug-and-play simplicity means you're capturing broadcast-quality audio within seconds of unboxing. No engineering degree required. Feel that tingle of excitement knowing your next video will sound absolutely professional? Don't let another day pass recording mediocre audio while your competition soars ahead. Limited stock means this kit's flying off shelves faster than concert tickets. Thousands have already leveled up their content game. Join the audio revolution that's making smartphone videos sound like Hollywood productions. Click now and unlock the secret to audio so clean your audience will think you hired a sound engineer. Grab your Sennheiser MKE 400 mobile kit today and watch engagement rates explode. Your future self will thank you.